Hey guys, how's it going? So, I've made the most expensive purchase for the 4Runner, finally. About $800-ish purchase mod, and it's gonna be good. So I'm not gonna be like one of those YouTubers and make you watch a 15-minute video to let you know what it was. I got rock sliders, and before I get the comments of, John, why'd you get rock sliders? You're in Florida. True. In Florida, we get the kickouts, and they're tree sliders. So when I'm on trail, sometimes I get close to trees and I don't want a tree hitting the ass end of the car. You get really close. So what these sliders are gonna do, they're multi-purpose. So the company that I went through was Cali Rays. I've been waiting for Cali Rays to come out with the rock sliders forever. I got the low profile ditch brackets from Cali Rays for my car. I went with Rego for my front hidden light bar, but that's because they offered the modular mount. So if I want to put pods in there, I liked that there was no drilling. I had to keep my air down. So I went with Rego for that. But Cali Rays, being from California, I know that the Baja scene out there, the off-road scene and everything, it's huge. So yes, I know there is off-roading and stuff all throughout the United States. But when a company that's sole is based in the West, and you know, they have products in Baja, they have products out in the desert racing, in Nevada and stuff, whenever they do like the Prim races or whatever. But a company that's so big out there and is, you know, you look at their Instagram and they're always just jobbing, you know, they're putting in all this R&D, always jobbing, always showing all these products going out, and I can get behind a company like that. So I've been waiting forever for them to come out with rock sliders. They finally did. The particular ones that I got, they're 0 degree. So they're gonna come flat out with the car. They could then in turn be used as steps, so it's multi-purpose. So it's rock sliders, it has the kick out for trees and stuff. It has the 0 degree, so they're completely flat. And I also got the top plate on it, so you can actually step on top of it without falling through with all the like the bars and stuff that are welded to it. They're having a special right now as to where if you buy them, you get $50 towards their website. So you could get $50 towards lights or ditch brackets or whatever you want, switches. So I'm gonna try to get this video up as fast as possible for you all. They're shipping in the second half of January, which is a very quick turnaround, because I just ordered them last week. So they ship mid-January. I hope to have the video up for you guys by mid-January to February to show how to install. But they say that they've been working on them forever. They say it's super easy, bolt to the frame. They've done a lot of research, so I'm hoping they're gonna be very good. I didn't get them powder coated at all or anything like that, because to me, if you're actually using rock sliders for rock sliders, it's gonna get scratched. And why pay the $150 to get it powder coated by them, and if they're just gonna get scratched? Because when I was down in Citrus, there was some stuff that got pretty dicey with my car to where I felt like I was gonna scrape the cabin of the vehicle. So I didn't do it because I had to drive the car home, and I'm not gonna scratch up a car on purpose. But if I had the sliders, I would have felt confident and just said, yeah, F it, let's go for it, and then just let the rock sliders take the brunt force. So if that's your mind with rock sliders, to me, don't get them powder coated. Unless you just want them for looks and stuff too. Hashtag mall crawlers, what's up? But I'm gonna get them non-powder coated. I'm gonna put my own primer on them myself, and then I'm toying around with either Raptor liner, 3M bed liner, or something else. If you guys have suggestions, leave them down in the comments. So I'm gonna bed line my whole ones, but like a nice bed liner, not like super thick. So to me, it'll look, you know, kind of like the plastic on the outside of the 4Runner, just a little rough and stuff. But I'm super excited to get them, guys. It's the biggest purchase so far for the 4Runner. I've wanted sliders forever. I haven't found any that I really liked. C4, I wanted those so bad, but a lot of them do look the same, and I don't know. I didn't pull the trigger on them, although they looked really good when I saw them in person. But these ones, I don't know. I just really like Cali Rays' products so far. The ditch brackets, they haven't been rusting at all. The lights that I have on the ditch brackets are rusting, so that's another video to come. But I don't know. I'm just really excited to put them on. Another video that I have coming for you guys in the future is how much does a small YouTuber make? Because, and I'll do that by the end of this year. But essentially what I've done is I've finally made my own account just for the YouTube money to come in, and now all the mods that I do with the vehicle just come from that account. So like, I'm not a person to talk about like everyone's personal money and all that stuff, but I know a lot of my viewers are wanting to do their own YouTube, whether it's vlogging while you're off-roading or you want to do your own install videos. So I'm going to have that video coming for you guys within a couple days, hopefully. But if you are going to do that, or if you have a side business of any sort, the biggest thing I say is just make your own account for it, because the first half of the year, whatever money I made on YouTube, and it's not a lot, by the way, that just went into my regular checking account, and it kind of just got filtered out with, you know, regular bills or grocery shopping or anything like that. But now that I just have it in its own account, there's a lot of 4Runner mods coming, because I'm like, oh crap, this is generated by the channel, and this is what I can do. So I've been saving up for a month or so, and the sliders were the first thing that I wanted to do for you guys, because I know that's one of the things that you can really put on your car. So yeah, guys, middle of January, they should be coming here. I'm sorry about that little YouTube rant, but whatever. Middle of the January, they should be coming here. I'm gonna, of course, do the DIY install myself. I refuse to take the vehicle to a shop because not everyone can afford the labor. So I like to try to do all the DIY myself. I'm gonna have to buy jack stands and stuff like that, and to support it, or get a couple friends to come over and help me with it. But I'm super excited for them. They're gonna look really, really good. And then after that, hopefully we lift the 4Runner a little bit. I don't know. It's really hard to buy new tires when these tires have at least 50,000 miles left in them. But I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, if you guys are excited for the rock sliders, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. I will catch you guys in the next one. Subscribe for more Toyota stuff and 4Runner stuff, and I'll see you later. All right, bye.